We have a York LX running in cool mode. That's a recip, Copeland recip. Gentech fan motor. 2018, I guess 3-ton, cold and sweaty. This is a heat pump. I can't tell because of the sun and the blades, so yeah. Alright, here we have this Trane running in cool motor. Has a climate tough reciprocating. It tells an 11 2.5 ton. I don't know what motor. I don't know. I think this is a heat pump. I don't know. It's a straight cool unit. Air conditioner. Yeah, anyways, thank you for watching. Lennox Merit right here. It's quiet. Hiding back here. Copeland scroll. Okay, here's the fan. Straight cool unit. 2023, this is newer. ML17 XC1, 2.5 ton. It's cold and sweaty. So yeah, what type of motor? Production motor. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out.